Hey there, how we all doing today? Today, as you can see by this Seiko 5 box, we are going to be taking a look at a Seiko 5 watch. And we took a look at the green and white Seiko Honda Super Cup, and now the black edition has come out. Here is the envelope with the card. Nowadays, you don't get the booklets anymore, just the warranty card. Just a word of warning for you. So if you don't see your booklet, that's just normal. And here you go, the black and gray. I can't wait to see this one. I like the gray, the green and white, but this one was kind of, a piece after my own heart with the black and, the black case and everything. Here you go, Honda Super Cub. A Honda Super Cub is a type of motorcycle. They say it's the world's most popular motorcycle, and I'm not sure if it is or not. So you guys can check it out. Tell me if it is or not on the thing. There you got the NATO style strap. Very cool. And look at that matte black. I like it that it's not shiny. And there you got the logo right there on the crown. So very, very cool overall. It is basically the same watch as the green and white one earlier. This is just the black and gray counterpart to that watch. And of course, you got that pop of red right there for the Super Cub, right on the bottom and on the second hand. Just like they have this red pillow. I was kind of surprised by the red pillow. Everything's black, then all of a sudden you got that bright red, and there you go, the Honda logo again. That one's slightly different than the green and white, the one on the bezel there. And then here, let's take off the strap so you could take a look at the back case. And it's going to say Honda Super Cub with the shot of red again. So red accents throughout this watch. Very cool look overall. And, it's just killer looking. The matte black, the gray, and here's the motorcycle right there. And this is the Seiko 5 Sports Edition Super Cub. And there you see it on the NATO style strap, the Super Cub ridden along. And it's kind of cool how that NATO strap continues from the dial. And there you go, the Honda wing logo there as well. Very cool. So, this is the Honda Black Super Cub. It does have a model number, and it is our SRPJ75. This is, of course, an automatic, and it is a limited edition watch. There are 5,000 pieces of this black Honda Super Cub watch, and that is worldwide. And the serial number you could see on the back there, on the back case there. And this one is got a 41-hour power reserve. It really feels kind of more like 40-hour power reserve, just to kind of give you guys, a no. I don't know why they're calling it 41 now. It is a movement, the workhorse of Seiko, the 4R36 movement, and of course an analog watch. It is water resistant to 100 meters, so not really for serious diving or anything like that. Even though it might look like a dive watch, it does not have the screw down crown. Again, does not have a screw down crown. It is a regular pull out crown. Okay, so the diameter for this watch is 42.5. It doesn't really feel that big. We'll get it on my wrist in a second, and you can check it out. This strap is, of course, made out of nylon, being the NATO style. And the crystal is the Hardlex crystal. Now, the thickness of this guy is 13.4 millimeters thick. And it feels a little bit thicker when when you got it on, because the NATO strap kind of pushes it up a little bit, and that might feel closer to like 14 millimeter or like 13.8 millimeter thickness. And so here you see it on my wrist. We'll do a little wrist roll there. You can see that cub popping out, and then the super. And it is just a sharp looking watch. You know, if you like those blackout watches but you want a little bit of color in there, this Honda Super Cub is just really cool. You know, the green one with the white, you know, that one you have to kind of like color, but this one is just cool, and it's got more of a kind of a biker feel to it. The other one is more fun and whimsical, I guess. And there you go. There you can see the thickness from the side there, just so you guys kind of get what I'm saying about the native strap, like making it sit a little taller, you know. And this guy's got some great, you know, lume on this. We'll go ahead and take it in the dark room soon. But you see the 12 o'clock there. That's supposed to represent the headlight of the motorcycle. And the two, the 11 o'clock and the 1 o'clock, are basically like the signal lights. So just a cool design overall. You can see how the strap goes into the dial design-wise with the gray. And here you go. You got it with the box there. Just neat because, you know, Seiko kind of has some, you know, below average boxes. And I know you don't wear the box, but it doesn't help you feel great about it when you see like a cardboard box. And here we've got it loomed up. I only had it under the light for a little bit, so it's not as bright as it could be. Just wanted to get this video out to you all because just got the watch in and got really excited to see it. It's been a little while since we did a video. Been a little bit quiet with some of the new releases at the beginning of the year. This year in 2023. Bunch of cool stuff coming out. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And check us out at DePauls.com if you're interested in getting yourself a Seiko 5 watch, or any kind of Seiko watch, really, except for Grand Seiko. Those are a separate breed altogether. All right, thank you all. Have a good one. Bye.